In today's tutorial, we're going to talk about how to select a cell range in Excel using IronXL. All right, so for the purpose of this demonstration, I've set up a project here in Visual Studio. Before we begin, make sure that you have the IronXL library installed. You can do so through the NuGet Package Manager. So make sure you do that so you can follow along. Now let's move to the program.cs file where we will perform various operations in the Excel file. To get started, remember to import the IronXL namespace to the top of your code with the using keyword. Our first task is to load an existing Excel file. So we'll create a workbook instance using the workbook.load method and then provide a path to the Excel file. So in this case, sample.xlsx. With the workbook loaded, we can access the first worksheet using the worksheets.first property. So let's begin working with ranges. We can get a specific range of cells using the indexing syntax, such as A2:B5, which retrieves the ranges from cells A2 through B5. Additionally, we can extract an entire row using the getRow index method. So in this case, we'll retrieve the third row using the worksheet.getRow3. Similarly, we can extract an entire column with the getColumn index method. So let's get the second column using worksheet.getColumn2. To demonstrate combining ranges, we'll merge the previously obtained range with another range. So A6 through B6 using the plus operator. Now let's print the combined range to a console using the console.writeLine. And with our code in place, we will execute the program and then observe the output. And we can also print row and column outputs too. So let's give it a run. Fantastic. So as you can see here, the combined output range is displayed on the console. Once again, this showcases how IronXL makes Excel manipulation super easy and efficient. But of course, this is just the tip of the iceberg. Make sure you explore all of IronXL's functionality, especially with complex tasks. We hope that you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, smash the like and subscribe if you want some more of these videos. And if you're eager to check out the software and you haven't yet, click the link in the description below. That'll take you to our website where you can sign up for a trial subscription, download, install, and experience the power of Iron software yourself.